Let's start with the tempo. You need to set something around 130 and 140. I'm gonna set my tempo to 132. Select some heavy kick drum and place it on every beat. Get another kick, but this time you will use some delay, reverb, compression and distortion. Add sidechain to the main kick and this is what you get. For more techno flavor, you need a clap sound with lots of reverb, but only in the 4th beat and the 2nd step. If you want to make it a little more danceable, use another clap sound on the beat 2 and 4. You will need more percussion, this time an open hat like this one, hi-hats. This one, a little trick, I made some variations on the pitch. A shaker with some panning, and a couple of ride sound. Techno is all about groove, so we're gonna need some more percussions. Don't forget the reverb sounds. All of the drums together sounds like this. The next part is the bassline. Some techno tracks rely only on the rumble kick, like this one. Another techno tracks rely on a bassline from a synth. But this time I chose to make both. This bassline is made with a simple sawtooth wave, distortion, low-pass filter, EQ, multiband compression, and sidechain. Another pro trick, this time I'm using a percussion sound along with the bassline for more transient and high frequencies. For more energy, I'm using this is made with 2 saw waves with a lot of detuning and distortion. Sounds like this. At this point, you're almost done because techno is all about the groove, the percussion, the bassline, and also the ambient sounds. For the ambient sound, I'm using this distorted pad sound. This is the sound without effects and with effects, a lot of overdrive and reverb. If you want to use some sort of melody, just be aware that in techno, melodies are usually really simple. Another interesting part of techno are the vocals. Sometimes just a repetitive vocal is enough. If you like video games, maybe you recognize this sound. Let me know in the comments if you know the game. For the sound effects, I'm using some tic-tac noise from a clock, a heartbeat, a submarine sound, white noise, classic riser sounds from white noise, don't forget the reverb and the sidechain. If you make everything right, you should get something like this. If you want to download the FL Studio project, the link is in the description below, also in the top comment. All of the synths and samples are native from FL Studio 21. If you want to download the project, you won't have any problem opening this. Just be aware, this is only for educational purposes. If you want me to make another video about any other style, just let me know in the comments. That's all for this video, and see you the next time.